In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings for Call of Duty Black Ops 7 to help you play smoother, aim better, and stay consistent in every match. So if this helps, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. Controller settings. I'm using the tactical layout for easier drop shots. Sensitivity 1.9 horizontal and 1.7 vertical. A lower vertical gives more control. Set aim response curve to dynamic and turn vibration off. Dead zone left 5, right 10, trigger 0 for quick input. Aiming settings. ADS sensitivity at 0.70 with instant transition timing. Use custom zoom, low zoom 80, 2x to 3x zoom 85. Keep aim assist on for extra tracking help. Movement settings. Set slide behavior to tap, maintain sprint on, and door bash enabled for smooth movement. Graphics play on full screen borderless. Turn NVIDIA Reflex low latency to on plus boost. FOV 120 ADS FOV affected weapon FOV wide. Turn off motion blur, it'll make targets clearer and improve visibility. Audio, effects volume 100, dialogue 85, music off. Use headphone bass boost for better footstep audio and mute licensed music to avoid copyright. Interface, turn crosshair dot on and set it to large. For color filter, use filter 2 or 3 with intensity at 100%. It helps enemies stand out. And that's it. Those are the best settings for Black Ops 7 right now. If this video helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment with your sensitivity, and subscribe for more tips. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.